webcam, but I do have a microphone. So I'm going to be talking about determinism and free will. I was watching videos on YouTube about determinism, free will, morality, blah blah blah, all that crap. And I was thinking last night about determinism. I always wanted to figure out what was wrong with it, because although it seems completely scientific, factual, it's the answer. I didn't want to agree with it. I would have rather have believed in free will, although, I don't think it's right. I still would rather believe in it. Yeah, so I was thinking about free will last night, or determinism. And from Wikipedia, determinism is the philosophical proposition that every event, including human cognition and behavior, decision, and action, is causally determined by an unbroken chain of prior occurrences. Thank you, Wikipedia. Basically what that means is everything that happens is based on something that happened before it. It's sort of like chaos theory. It basically is chaos theory, that one event influences everything else in the entire universe at some point in time. But if you think about this a little deeper, this means that if you were given enough information at a single point in time and given the exact same amount of information at another point of time, an example, 2 seconds after the Big Bang, and then again at 10 seconds after the Big Bang. Maybe 3 times, okay? You take 3 different points in time after the Big Bang, and you get enough information. You can't get all of it thanks to quantum mechanics, because you can't have where they are and their mass or whatever. I can't remember. But say you have 3 points in the timeline, and you have where every particle is. Now you could use computer model to predict the future, right? It would basically be physics and mathematics from that point on. Lost my train of thought. Okay. 3 points in time. You have enough information, blah blah blah. You got a machine to predict the future. Now you take that machine and introduce it to humans. You take a test group, 10 people, whatever, I don't care, and you show them their future, because this thing takes all the information of everything, puts it in whatever algorithm, a system of equations, and it predicts the future by physics, mathematics, chemistry, etc. Of course, this isn't possible because we can't do it, but it's great to think about if we could. But you put this in front of a person and you explain to them how they're gonna die. At that point, how does that person die? That person just saw the future in rock solid physics, quantum mechanics, mathematical view. That has to happen by determinism. That has to happen by the laws of physics. Now what? Does that person still die? The same causes? The same way? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so.